Okay, so welcome to LONGJI. We're gonna start with the action and see this performance inside. Let's check it out.
在这洗头过程中，有一首歌谣是这样唱的。
Okay, so welcome once again to LONGJI. I'm here with my guide, Lily. Hello. Yes, nice to see you. We're gonna have some nice local food here. Something we've seen a lot is you have these kind of bamboo pieces and you put a lot of rice and stuff inside. So I got recommended to go and check out here. So a lot of very interesting sights here in the background. Nice wooden buildings. And later we're gonna go to the rice terrace, but trusting my guides who have a lot of good things. Yes, ooh, they're making here. Let's check it out.
Yeah, bamboo chicken and bamboo rice.
Yeah, here we have the knife. Okay, let's go in and order some food. We're having a lot of the rice in the background. Let's try it. Oh, fantastic. So we're getting the food there. We're getting the nice tofu. We're also getting the chicken. That is looking amazing. Two big whole bamboo shoots, I guess it's called here. We have the claws and everything. That is looking fantastic. Let's try it out. Okay, so we got the food as you can see. And we got the bamboo chicken here. Very exciting. You even have the claws here as you can see. But I'm gonna try with a bit more conservative part first. I skipped the rice, but we got some nice chicken pieces here as you can see. Steaming hot, let's try it. Ooh, very smoky. Let's try another piece here. See if we can see it here. Very juicy, quite healthy, not too much fat. With a bit of ginger. Okay, now let's try some tofu here. Try to avoid too much oil. This is looking very nice. Very good protein. We have these very nice looking mushrooms as well here. Wood here. Crunchy. You have a lot of good vegetables here, bell peppers, onions. I think it's gonna be a pretty nice lunch. So apparently the most important part is actually the soup here. I was too carried away with the chicken. So gonna take some broth here, we got some chicken parts. Very nice here. I have some dates I think here. Let's see. You can try it here. Very nice. A little bit oily, but very, very nice here. Tasty. Good to combine. No rice for now. Fantastic. Let's continue. So very good start here. Visiting this local village. Later we're gonna go to the bamboo and the rice field. It's gonna be very beautiful. So I'm just gonna take my time, enjoy it a little bit. So see you a bit later. Okay, so after that very fantastic lunch, we're gonna take the cable car up. Actually bring the luggage with us and then we're gonna stay up there. So gonna go and explore a bit. So see you on the cable car. Okay, time to jump on the cable car here. Have to grab this one. Okay, safety first. Fun. Yeah, wow, very small inside here. Almost cannot fit. Slowly going up the mountain. Wow, I think we're starting to see the rice fields outside a bit. Gonna have a better walk a bit later, but that is looking very promising. You can actually see the planting, the taro and the different fruits here. Rice, corn, very nice. You can see on the rooftop they're actually drying the chili here. That looks nice, have to try it later. Okay, so now I'll get up the cable car. It was slowly but really nice and spectacular views in the background. You have some local snacks here as always, but I'm gonna save that a little bit for later. But really nice to see the background here with all these rice fields and it's changing to golden in the fall, and I heard it's even some snow sometimes, but not today. So now we're just gonna walk to the hotel here. It's really nice background beauty. Today's gonna be a bit of a slow, calm tempo with a lot of nice views and maybe some tea, so see you a bit later. Very nice local area here. We're gonna stay in this place here. Very nice, and they have all these like bamboo and terraces with houses, everything. Very nice. Let's see here. Ooh, a lot of nice wooden buildings and structures here. It's gonna be really cozy. Okay, so we got to the hotel and apparently I'm the only guest here today together with my guide. You have some pretty nice views here. tell you that in the background. Let's see if you can have a look on the view here. That is pretty crazy, I can tell you that much. Have a look. Yes, is the room okay? It's definitely okay, that's for sure. Just take a look at this view. It's crazy. Just gonna walk around, take it easy today. That is one nice view to wake up to. Yeah, you can even see some flowers outside here. Definitely okay to fall asleep and wake up here, that's for sure. So, gonna go and explore a bit to see what's outside. Yeah, we saw some dried chili when we were going up, and here we can see some more here. On the ground, no problem, just spices killing all the germs. Hope we can get some more spicy food later. Now we're just gonna take a walk here, overlooking the cable car down and all the nice rice paddies, walk around, maybe get some drone shots and try some mooncakes maybe. Let's try. And we have some nice traditional costumes you can buy. Maybe not for me, but for others. And a lot of local craftsmanship here going on. Together with this crazy nice background here. That's one spectacular background, that's for sure. So actually this weekend it's a Mid-Autumn Festival here in China, and for that you eat mooncakes. And my guide here, Lily, was very talented, so she cooked some nice mooncakes. We have some sweet potato one here and some, I think, taro. So I'm gonna try those out one. Looks very nice, and enjoy the view here at the same time, so let's try them out. Handmade, no additives. Okay, so as mentioned, it's the Mid-Autumn Festival, so you need to try this mooncake. And I'm gonna try this one first with, I think, sweet potato or purple one. Let's try. Very healthy, not that sweet. Then we have the white one here. Very nice, great fuel for exploring. So I'm gonna enjoy this a bit slowly and I'll see you a bit later. So after this nice little snack in a very beautiful view, take a look at a lot of interesting stuff they're selling here, like mushrooms and some traditional herbs. Very interesting stuff here. And we have a lot of these traditional clothes here in the background as well. You can also buy it from the store. So we're gonna go and walk a bit in the fields. Here we have, yes, Lao Wai, that's me, foreigner. There's a lot of spicy oil, looks nice. Very good, I will save that for later. Yeah, very good. We'll save that for dinner, I think. This looks spicy. Yeah, you gotta be a bit careful when you walk here among the rice paddies, but the view is crazy nice. You can see in the background. Just stop to take some photos. So you're gonna walk around a little bit, just enjoy this amazing nature. And you have all these people, this old clothes here in the background. But I'm gonna stick to my black boring t-shirt, but hopefully the view is good enough to enjoy. Just gonna walk a little bit here. Super nice. Yeah, here you have some photo action going on. Nice background, nice clothes. Yeah, really crazy nice views here. Just relaxing, take some photos. Gonna continue walking a bit here. I feel like I wanna drink some tea. We have a lot of time. It's vacation after all. First day of vacation is just gonna relax. No need to stress, just enjoy the nature here. Take it easy and enjoy the sounds here. A lot of cicadas, so gonna keep on walking. Oh, now we're back with the grinding the chili here again. That is crazy spicy. Whew, you don't want to eat too much of that. Then it'll be a bit spicy. Okay, we're gonna try the Longhang tea, 5 RMB. Okay, so we're gonna try the naturally sweet Longhang tea, I think it's called. Longhang fruit. Smells nice. Not too sweet, very relaxing. Nice taste, very dark as you can see, with this crazy view here in the background. Just enjoying, taking a bit of a break here with some natural sweet tea. Life could definitely be worse, I can tell you that much. Definitely not a lot of tourists, I can tell you that much. Like no one here, basically. Just have this place all to ourselves. I think it was 1 or 2 other foreigners there I saw. Basically no other people. I think I've seen like maybe 50, 100 people so far today. Very calm, relaxing. Maybe just sit down here, maybe have a drink or something. Very relaxing and very soothing. Definitely need a break from the city life sometimes. I think this is the perfect place to come if you want some peace. So yeah, just gonna take it easy. Okay, nice. We have a bit of a walk and now I get some noodles here. As you guys probably know, I don't eat noodles that often here, but these look very tasty. Then here we're gonna add a lot of cool stuff here. We have some pickles, we get some chili, looking very nice. So I think I'm gonna add in a bit of the pickles here, looking nice. A bit of that. And we have some bamboo sprouts here, I think, or bamboo shoots, I guess it's called. A little bit of that. Some nice spicy chili here on the side. Very nice. And some chives. A lot of good stuff here. That is looking fantastic. Okay, so now we'll get the food served here. We've got a little bit of refreshing tea here. The local one, very nice. And then I'm gonna try the local noodles here. I tried a little bit for breakfast, but I heard it's special here. And this is the Guilin or Guilin, I should say, local noodles here. We have a little bit of, I think, pork sausage and put the chili and the chives and some pickles. But of course the noodles are the famous part. They're supposed to taste not that much, but you have some nice spices. This is looking really nice. Just take a look at this. I hope you can see here now the fresh noodles here. Very spicy and warm and boiling. Let's try it out. Yeah, so actually the noodles don't taste that much, but you mix it up. So I'm gonna try to mix everything together and then we'll see how all the flavors come together. But first I just wanna take a little bit of a bite of this sausage over the chives. And we have some other spices here as well in the noodles. Chili oil really is good. And then we have all these nice bamboo shoots. Ooh, this is gonna be a good bite. A lot of good energy after walking. Gonna continue to hike a little bit here, so I'm gonna take my time and enjoy these very nice noodles, and then we'll see you a bit later. Yeah, so that was a very nice little lunch break here. 15 RMB, that's some money well spent, I can tell you that much. And people are playing the cards in the background, relaxing a little bit. Now actually the sun has come down a little bit, so I think the lighting is more peaceful. It's less kind of misty. So I'm just gonna walk a little bit down here, I think. Take a bit of a hike so we build up some appetite for dinner, but it's basically no people here. I don't even know we're gonna find somewhere to eat, but I'm sure we'll find something. Just gonna continue walking here, relax a little bit, enjoy the relaxing weather. So yeah, see you soon. Just came back here to the rice fields now. The sun is setting a bit. It's super beautiful, definitely nice here when the sun is a bit lower. I think maybe I'll take out my drone a bit again and film. So nice, just taking out. A lot of people here, quite popular to come and check out, but not too many tourists. Very nice, so yeah, just gonna continue walking. Yeah, so the sun is basically setting now, just in a few minutes, I would say, or maybe at least 30 minutes behind here. It's gonna get a bit dark, but super nice here to come back. Much lighter now, and yeah, just gonna take it easy. I think it's dinner time pretty soon, see what we can find, but it was good to start the day earlier with some, good breakfast and moving a bit, walking. Had some nice lunch here. Also tried both the noodles and the chicken and those bamboo things. So a lot of interesting things. So I'm just happy with the day so far. See what's next in store. I think someone just killed the chicken here for the dinner. Yeah, poor chicken, but someone needs food. Wow, so it looks like we got the first batch of food here. We got the pumpkin here and some rice, but I'm gonna skip the rice for now, wait for the more food. Oh, now it looks like we get the pork. I think it's kind of bacon. This is looking crazy good. Okay, so finally we got a lot of great food here. We got some pork and we have some nice fish and pumpkin. Also have some actually some cucumber on the way. I'm gonna start with this local one, supposed to be quite famous. See if I can hold it up. Wow, that is looking crazy good. Let's see if you can see it here. That is looking really tasty, that's for sure. But let's try it out. Really juicy, really nice bacon. Okay, now we have a whole mountain here of fish. I like fish. These small ones, I think I've tried something similar before. Let's try it out, see if you can see this one. I think it's like dried and maybe a bit stir-fried. Let's try it and eat the whole thing. Let's try. Very crispy and crunchy. Let's have another. Wow. That's a whole mountain. Let's try it out. Oh, it's falling apart. Let's try it. That is crazy good. Not too spicy. You have some nice chilies here, but I like spicy food, so not a problem. Then we have some pumpkin here. Pumpkin is actually really healthy. This one is stir-fried, so some oil, so maybe not as healthy, but still vegetables. It's great for you. Fills you up and a lot of good nutrition. So let's try a few here. Very nice. Let's see if I can hold up a piece here so you can have a look. Very nice. Stir-fried with a lot of chives. Fantastic. Really nice. We'll see. Probably get some cucumbers later in as well. But I think I'm gonna enjoy this before it gets cold. Take it easy, relax. It's been a nice day with a lot of food, nice background, sunset here, some lights in the background. Super fantastic. So really nice to just end the evening here with some great food, relax, and then hopefully I guess I see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna watch actually the sunrise here, and then gonna be a lot of adventures. If you want to see more of that kind of stuff, let me know. And if that's the case, give me a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.